What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and we are in Santa Ana checking out the new Hansshow location. And so we brought the Model Y Studios here, and this is Dennis's Cybertruck. He's getting some stuff done here. We're gonna be heading to Anaheim Hills, the new Tesla location, but I just wanted to hang out and see what they are up to and check out this new location. We are checking out the inside office area. They also have an installation section. So this is what the office looks like. They are not fully open yet. They are like soft opening, and they will do some appointments. I will put all the contact information in the video description as well as on the lower third, but currently they are working on a Cybertruck right now. But this is their installation area. Again, they are not fully open, but give them a call and get your stuff installed over here in Santa Ana. Now, what we have here is a phone mount from Hansshow, and this kit comes with 3 different ways to mount your cell phone in your vehicle. The first one is this mount that has an adhesive that could sit behind your screen, and you could position it anywhere, and you can adjust the length of it, as well as you can pivot it around with this articulating part of the mount. Very nifty. The second way to mount is this, where there's just it's simple and there's an adhesive, and you could mount it either on your windshield or on the surface of your dash. But it also comes with this ball joint where you can attach this part of the mount itself, and you could attach this part over here like so. Now the third way is these vent hook mount, which will not work for Tesla but should work for regular vehicles with regular vent. Now the mount itself is MagSafe compatible, and so as long as your phone has MagSafe, it's going to attach onto here. Now if you don't have MagSafe, it comes with this magnetic ring where you could either attach it on the back of your phone, because there's an adhesive right here, or put it in between the case, and what happens is it just makes your phone MagSafe. So here is an iPhone 16 Pro. It is on there with MagSafe because my case is MagSafe compatible and the phone itself has MagSafe. But yeah, so go check out Hanssshow's website, and they are also running a Black Friday promotion. Check it out in the video description below. Right, so I'm here with Norma with Hansshow, and she's gonna tell us a little bit about this location.
Yes, so we are new in this location. We just moved, but we do accept installation appointments. Feel free to give us a call at 949-658-4793. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter X.
Well, there you go. Make sure you check them out in social media. Give them a call if you need any of their products installed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.